पूरा हो रहा है हो गया।
हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू KTM माइम शोरूम। आज हो रहा है 125 और 250 एडवेंचर का लॉन्च। सो वेलकम टू KTM, अपना KTM माइम, तो अपना सब ऑडियंस का भी। अभी मैं एक ब्लॉगर्स को इनवाइट करूंगा यहाँ पे, जैसे कि आदित्य, उसका नाम है नेक्स्ट जेन बाइकर्स करके। वो आपको बाकी के इन्फो आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देगा। सो इस गाइस,
Hello, my name is Aditya and my channel name is Next Gen Bikers. So yeah guys, let's just start with our unveiling without wasting any time. So I would like to invite Kalpesh and one of the customers who have booked the Duke 125 to come and unveil the bike. Just invite one of them.
yes.
Can you hear me? नहीं आप वो साइड
अरे ये तो ये कर
इधर इनको बुला लो हमारे एक इधर ला Okay, let's start. Let's go. Let's unveil.
कैमरा की तरफ देखना। गाड़ी ऑन रहना।
So guys, let's start off with the specifications of the Adventure 250. So here, as we can see, the design styling is inspired from the new Adventure 390, which was launched in India quite recently. And as you can see here, we have the new halogen headlamps, which is yellow in color, and we have the LED DRLs as well. And talking about the engine of this motorcycle, we have a 248.8cc single liquid cooled engine which produces of about 30 bhp and 24 newton meters of torque, and it comes with 6-speed gearbox, and it comes with a slipper clutch as well. So in the front you get a 320mm disc brake, and on the rear you get a 230mm disc brake, and with which you get dual channel ABS as well, and you also get off-road ABS with this. And some missing features with this motorcycle are the motorcycle traction control, which KTM offers, but which is available on the 390 Adventure, but which is missing on the 250 Adventure, unfortunately. Talking about the tank capacity, we have a tank capacity of around 14.5 liters, and the price of this motorcycle is approximately 2.89 lakhs on road, and the price of the 390 Adventure is about 3.66 lakhs on road. So let's just speak about the technicalities of the new Duke 125. So as you can see, the new Duke is inspired by the flagship motorcycle, which is the KTM Super Duke 1290R. And this new design is much more sharper, sportier, and much more bolder. As you can see, the new Duke 125 is inspired by all new flagship Duke, which gets more sharper styling. As you can see, all the headlamp is full new, and also you get a new digital instrument cluster with it. With the older Duke 125 you used to get a 10.5 liter tank, but with this new Duke 125 you get a 13.5 liter tank, which will result in better tank range and more range in a full tank. And the rest, all the specifications of this motorcycle is similar to the older generation. As you can see, the tires, the wheels, the brake assembly, everything is pretty much the same except for the design styling, which is new. And the on-road price of this new Duke 125 is about 1.75 lakhs on road.
Yeah. चला भाई केक अरे आओ ये जो इनका आदि आदि
ये दो कलर अवेलेबल है क्योंकि इसके टैग में है वाइट कलर उसी का ग्राफिक क्वालिटी से नहीं मिलता है इसका टैग जो ब्लैक में और वाइट में आपको तो इसका टू कलर्स अवेलेबल है मीडियम जो 125 होता है
So let's move on to the cake cutting.
क्या ना इनको इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए बोल रहे तो बोलते नॉर्मली फॉर्मल इंट्रोडक्शन तो कौन से इसमें जा रहे हैं जो लोग ने बुक किया उसका बुला सिर्फ ये हाँ हाँ नहीं.
So we have the customers of the brand new Duke 125. So we would like to invite them for the cake cutting. Yeah.
We have booked the first 125 Duke, so he will deliver tomorrow. Okay, so let's celebrate.
So I'll just give you a tour of this new bike. Let's just go. As you can see, the new sticker work which is done by KTM. Got the gloss black tank with a gloss white finish on the tank panels. You get the black wheels with the subframe finished in black and the front frame finished in orange. You can see the console of this new bike. I'll start the bike for you. Here's the other color variant. अभी फिनिश करते हैं फिनिश करते क्या हम दोनों कैमरे के सामने कर फिनिश करते हैं पकड़िए ना आप बोलिए थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग
Okay, so thank you for unveiling KTM and for the event, whoever joining as a live also, and thank you for a blogger Aditya who have next time again.
And I would like to thank KTM for this wonderful opportunity. And yeah, that is it for this event today. I hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, that is it.